Alright, hey guys, it's Carter from Carter's Auto Detailing. We have just reached our first milestone for the channel, and that is accomplishing 100 subscribers for the YouTube channel. I'm actually looking at it right now on my computer. It's 103 subscribers currently at the time of recording this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting my content. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, guys. I really do enjoy making these types of videos for YouTube. It's just something that I take a lot of pride in, take the time to record, edit, and schedule accordingly to provide the content for you guys to check out. Now, I will acknowledge one thing. I understand that I don't have the most fanciest equipment of all, like compared to the other detailing channels. I know that I'm just starting out and I'm going to be working with what I have, but I want to work my way up so I can be a part of those larger channels with the Krenzlas, the Cobra Jet hoses, the MTM foam, all that fancy equipment. I want to get more into the high-end detailing stuff. So I acknowledge that I'm proud that I have with what I have, and I'll be providing enough content for you guys, but I would like to work my way up so I can get to that level of quality and detailing and just overall review and content for you guys to check out. I know there's other detailing channels out there. I'm sure you can literally go on YouTube, just type in detailing, and I'm sure there's only going to be like 3 main channels that are going to be flooded with views and subscribers and all that stuff. I acknowledge and I'm humble for the community that I have, but as a goal that I want to have in mind is that I want to provide enough content out there and provide enough detailing products, reviews, and all that sort of stuff so I can be along with those channels up there. My goal for this channel is to be way up there on the top of the throne. I have a big goal in mind. I want to be up there with the big boys. I want to be providing all sorts of content, make my business grow a lot larger, start a school, be a detail supply shop. I have a lot of goals in mind right now, and I would like to grow and document it on this YouTube channel. So I'll be happy to show that to you guys as this channel grows later down the line. And also another thing is that despite my channel just starting out, my business actually started along with the channel. So it's not a large business by any means. Like, I don't have that certain level of clientele at the moment of recording this video to record every sort of detail that I do. It's just not enough output that I have right now. But hopefully as this channel grows, I would like to grow my business as well to expand a lot larger in the area in California. So yeah, just once again, guys, thank you so much for supporting me as a channel. I know there's other channels out there that cover lots of other subjects and go further in depth, possibly outside of my reach. But to think that you guys would follow my channel for detailing advice, tips and tricks, and all that stuff, it really does mean a lot to me. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting my content as it grows down the line. So thank you very much, everyone. Stay safe. Have a good time.